Thought I'd show you a quick comparison here, real quick. The modal is right here. Remember, Uniball compatible? Remember, I have to trim down for the bolt as well. And you can see that it is considerably taller than the modal there. These are all going to get moved because they're going to get filled up with existing ones, right? Now, yes, the TK ink is very short. And there's the side click. Side click's still one of my favorite pens. But it is even taller because it's basically the height of a bolt, but with the butt on top. Now, impressive, as always, in my opinion, is remember how short I gave. I'm like, oh, the modal's so short, right? If we look here, just ever so slightly taller than the TK ink, which uses a much smaller refill, is this chubby Uniball click pen. This uses a full-size Uniball refill that you saw me cut down very slightly and put in here, cut down a little bit more and put in here, and not need to cut down there, but it's in that. That is what Uniball thinks should be your everyday carry pen. And see, it's fat, just like I like the fat bolts, and yet it's shorter than every option we have here except for the ink, which I consider that to be downright impressive. So if you want a nice pen and you don't want to pay this kind of money, check that guy out. They also make a slim one for one that's a little bit longer and more of kind of like the standard style, but especially if you're just popping out writing quick notes down, look, it sits perfectly on the hand. Impressively short though for the modal, even compared to its competitors from other brands.